everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we've got something special and sweet for you. This unfried Mexican ice cream sundae is gonna blow your mind, and you don't even have to get your deep fryer out to make it. We all love Mexican ice cream, fried ice cream when we go to the Mexican restaurant, but this does not need to be fried, and it's super delicious, it's super easy to make, and you can make a ton of them all at once for a party. Let's go see how these all come together. Okay, today I'm going to share with you how to make these awesome and delicious unfried Mexican ice cream balls. These are inspired by a local ice cream place called A Taste of Philadelphia. They have the most amazing Italian water ice that is, you know, reminiscent of Philly. I grew up in New Jersey, so Italian ice is awesome. But they came up with these. They don't have deep fryers over there. And guess what, honey? You don't have to fry this ish. You just don't. I have 4 balls of vanilla ice cream that I hand rolled, and I popped them back in the freezer for a few minutes, but now they're under hot lights. So, and then this is a few cups of cinnamon toast crunch ice cream that I bashed while they were in a Ziploc bag. And you don't have to use this kind. I actually made my first incarnation of this with frosted flakes and a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and it was delicious. But I have to say, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch makes it. You're gonna take your ice cream balls and you're gonna coat them with this delicious cereal. And you know what, you're not limited to this Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal or this particular flavor. If you like something different, then that's what you should use, because I think that you're only limited by your imagination here. Go ahead and get that nice and coated with cereal, and then pop it back on the tray. And then we're gonna put these in the freezer again for about 10 minutes just to firm them up really good. And then I'll be back and we will build you a sundae using one of these awesome Mexican style unfried ice cream balls. These have been in the freezer for about a half an hour, and I'm just gonna serve this one up in a waffle bowl. You can serve yours however you like, but I thought, you know what, you can make these up ahead of time. And look, I'm just gonna put these inside of a cupcake liner. These are double kind of stacked so that they don't melt too bad. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what that looked like. So now, the best way to serve this is with some chocolate syrup and some dulce de leche. This is super thick, so when it comes out of the container, it likes to spit. There you go. A little whipped cream. And then we're gonna do that again. Just like that. And gotta have a cherry on top. There we go. And that is how you make a delicious unfried Mexican ice cream ball. Aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh. You can make these ahead of time just like this, and if you're gonna have them for a party, you can make them a few days in advance. You're just gonna wanna make sure that you roll them, put them on a sheet pan with parchment, cover them with plastic wrap, and then freeze them so they don't get the freezer taste on them. And then you can have these ready to go for your party, and then you can have everybody top their own. You can have it like a little sundae bar, and it'll be really fun. There you have it, our delicious unfried Mexican ice cream sundaes. And these are reminiscent of the fried ice cream that you can get at a Mexican restaurant, but you don't have to fry these babies, and that is the most magical part about the whole thing. You ready to taste it?
I have to.
You have to. These are so good. Oh my gosh. You see that? There you go. I mean, look at that, right down in there. So delicious. So delicious.
It is.
You are in for a summer full of deliciousness just knowing how to make these. And do not be bound by the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But when you get a Mexican fried ice cream, it's gonna be cinnamony and sugary, and most likely be coated with like corn flakes or some sort of corn cereal. But you could do Rice Krispies, you could do Cocoa Krispies, you could do Cocoa Puffs, you could do crushed Fruit Loops, you could do Fruity Pebbles. Think about that. You can do it any way you want it, and you can, you know, vary up the toppings. So your imagination is your only limit. I hope you give these a try. I hope you loved today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to invite new friends in and meet you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you are already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, as usual, make sure that you hit the bell notification button so you're notified every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these unfried Mexican ice cream sundaes a try, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya!